Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to give you the book answer in science for 7th standard, Unit 3, changes around us. Okay? So, children, for half yearly, we have finished one lesson. That is first lesson. Now, I am going to write, that is after half yearly, whatever I am going to write down now, you have to take down in your classwork, children, and you have to submit. So, the date will be announced by you all, and that day you have to submit your classwork. So, till half yearly, you don't need to do anything. After half yearly, whatever I am going to you to write it in your classwork and you have to submit. Okay, children? So, from this lesson, you have to start and write it in your classwork. So, page number 53, children, choose. First question. When a wooden yarn is knitted to get a sweater, the change can be classified as A, physical change. What is the answer? A, physical change. Second, dash of the following are endothermic changes. Answer is A, condensation and melting. 3. The chemical changes C, cow dung to biogas. 4. Dash is an example of a periodic change. A, earthquake. 5th, dash is not a chemical change. B, dissolution of carbon dioxide in water. The next fill in the blanks. Number 2. Fill up. First, filling up a balloon with hot air is a dash change. Answer is physical change. And second, stretching gold coin into a ring is a physical change. And third, opening a gas cylinder knob converts dash fuel into a dash fuel. There is an example of dash change. 3 dashes there. First dash is liquid, next gaseous, next is chemical. Okay, children. The next is point 1. Spoiling of food is a dash change, chemical change. And next, respiration is a dash change, exothermic chemical change. Exothermic chemical change. Have you finished, children? Now, next is true or false. Number 3. First one. Cutting of cloth is an example of a periodic change. So it is false. So what changes you will write? Instead of periodic, you will write physical change. So in that question is you have given cutting of cloth is an example of periodic. Instead of periodic, what you will write? Physical. So how will you write the statement? Cutting of cloth is an example of periodic change. Physical change. Consider second. Taking a glass of water and freezing it by placing it in the freezer is a chemical change. It is false. Instead of chemical, again you will write physical. So instead of chemical, what you will write? Physical. Third, a bean plant collecting sunlight and turning it into bean seeds is an example of physical and non-periodic change. So instead of physical, you will write chemical. You will write chemical change instead of physical. And 4. If the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged and the appearance or shape of a substance changes, it is called a periodic change. This periodic will turn into physical. Okay, children. Then 5th one. Tarnishing of silver is an example of endothermic change. So endothermic, you will underline, and instead of that, what you will write? Chemical change. Instead of endothermic, you will write chemical change. Okay, children, you understand? And this is false. So all the statements are false, and you have to write the correct statement. Okay, children? So next is Roman number 4, match. So in that there are given 2 tabular column, okay, A, B and C. For A you have to match B, and A and C you have to match, okay. So first one is in the B, put down the numbers, children. So A they have given, B and C you have to write. So B number you have to write 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 6. And the next is 5, 4, 6, 1, 3, 2. The children put out the number. So I'll tell you what is the correct answer. So melting is, the answer is change of state from solid to liquid. In the B side is ice cube to water. Then condensation in the B. Second one, change of state from gas to liquid. In C, it is steam to water drops. Then third, evaporation, change of state from liquid to gas. In the C, you get water to steam. Fourth, freezing, that is change of state from liquid to solid. Fourth one is formation of ice cube. Fifth, periodic change. In the B, occurs at irregular time intervals. In the C, ticking of clock. Then sixth one, non-periodic change, occurs at regular time intervals. And the sixth one is collecting flowers. Okay, children, I will arrange the numbers. The next is Roman number 5. Classify the following changes as physical and chemical change. Physical change and chemical change. So I'll tell you which is a physical and chemical change. You have to write down in this tabular column. Okay, I'll say which is a physical and which is chemical. Okay, so they have given all the many options are there. I'll tell you. First one is a rough piece of wood is sanded and polished, resulting in change in texture. It is a physical change. That is, a rough piece of wood is sanded and polished, resulting in change in texture. It is physical change. Rusting of an iron nail, chemical change. Painting the grill, physical. Bending a paper clip, physical. Pounding silver into thin plate, physical. Rolling the chapati down into thin wire, physical. Occurrence of day and night, physical. Eruption of volcano, chemical. Burning of matchstick, chemical. Dosa from the beta, physical. Blinking of eyelids, physical. Occurrence of a thunderstorm, physical. Rotation of the earth, physical. Formation of eclipse, physical. So many physical changes are there. Chemical change, only 3 children. That is rusting of an iron nail, then eruption of volcano and burning of matchstick. Only these 3 are chemical change. All the others are the physical. Okay, children. Next is Roman number 6, analogy. Roman number 6. Analogy. Saying that physical change is boiling, chemical change is, answer is burning. Then second one, wood to sawdust is physical change. Wood to sawdust is a physical change. Wood to ash, chemical change. Forest fire, dash change, that is non-periodic change. Non-periodic change. Okay, children? Then change in period in school is a periodic change. Okay? Now, Roman number 7, 8, 9 and all right afterwards. Let's see Roman number 11. Assertion and reason. First one, assertion, the explosion of firecracker is a physical change. Reason, a physical change is a reversible change. Answer is D. A is false but R is true. First one answer is D. Second, assertion, the process of conversion of liquid water to its vapors by heating the liquid is called boiling. Reason, the process of conversion of water vapor to liquid by cooling the vapors is called condensation. Answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Then 3, assertion, burning of woodblock to charcoal is a physical change. Reason, the products formed by burning a piece of wood can be easily converted back to woodblock. Answer is, you have to write, children, the third one is, you have to write like this. This is Roman number 11, assertion and reason. This third one for this answer is, the above options are wrong. Okay? The correct answer is both A and R are false. Okay, children. Okay, now fourth one is, so the fourth one answer is A. It is assertion the formation of iron oxide from iron is a chemical change. Reason for the rust formed from iron, it must be exposed to air and water. So fourth one is A. Fifth one, also A is the answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, fifth one is A. Now next Roman number 12. In that picture-based question. So the candidates you can see, they must observe the picture and list down the changes that are accompanied in the picture. So A, B, C, 3 dashes are given. First is physical change. This is Roman number 12 children. Then chemical change, and C is exothermic. Okay children. So first one is physical, second chemical, and C exothermic. That is the first one. For the second one, observe the picture containing a kettle and note that it has salt water in it and answer the following question. So A, B, C, D, 4 questions are there. In that first one A, what is the name of the process that is done to the kettle? Answer is boiling. So what process they are doing? Boiling. Then B, what will happen to the content of the kettle? So water in the kettle gets converted into liquid. Water in the kettle gets converted into liquid. Okay, children. Then, what kind of change is occurring on the cold surface of the metal plate? Endothermic. Okay, children. Next, what can you say about the quality of water that is obtained in the beaker? So, water vapor converted into liquid. Water vapor converted into liquid. Okay, children, we have finished this. Now, we are going to see Roman numbers 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now, the questions are in the book itself, children. Okay. Take them in your book as well as in your class work. Now it is submit your notebooks so that you have to write in your book. So the question, Roman number 7. 7 is very short answer. Very short answer. First question, state 2 examples of periodic changes. That is seasonal changes, motion of hands of a cloud. Motion of hands of a cloud. This is the first one. Second one, mention any 2 exothermic reactions. It is burning of magnesium ribbon, burning of magnesium ribbon, and burning of a candle, and burning of a candle. Then, third one, question is, Cold milk is heated and it becomes hot. Which type of change it is? That is reversible. Then, fourth one. What type of change in artificial ripening of fruit? Irreversible, chemical change. Irreversible chemical change. The next fifth one. What type of change is coloring of a paper? Physical change. Physical change. Then sixth one. Growing of male is a periodic stage. Why? Growing of male. Growing of male is a periodic change. Periodic change because it occurs periodically. It occurs periodically at regular intervals. At regular intervals. Next is seventh one. But what type of energy changes is associated with ice? 7. Ice, melting, water. Answer is physical change. Next second, endothermic. Heat energy is absorbed. Heat energy is absorbed. Then next is Roman number 8. Short answer type question. First and second question right on the board children. Third and fourth question, fifth question only children. First question, right, distinguish between physical change and chemical change. And the second question is how can change occur in a substance. So, Roman number 8. First answer, physical changes, chemical changes. First one, no new substance is formed. No new substance is formed. New substance is formed. New substance is formed. Reversible, irreversible, change in physical properties, like size, shape. Then change in properties of reactants and products. Then fourth one, melting of ice. Melting of ice, evaporation, vaporization. melting of ice, evaporation, vaporization, burning of paper, burning of paper, rusting of iron. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first answer. Then the second one. Second one, a change can occur in a substance by an alteration in the properties such as color, texture, and the state of the substance. Since there is formation of new substance. Then third is can you suggest a method to collect water from seawater? Answer is evaporation. Okay. And fourth one. Is a solar eclipse a periodic change? Give your reason. Yes. Solar eclipse is a periodic change. Periodic change as it occurs after a definite interval of time. So this 4 questions in our children. Then number 9. Long answer question. This is the last final children. One question is enough. Detailed question. First one. Question is number 9. Explain the following statement. Digestion is a chemical change. Okay, children. So number 9. First question. This is enough, children. So when we eat, our mouth physically break down food into smaller pieces. Then mechanical digestion occurs in the mouth. Mechanical digestion occurs in the mouth stomach and small intestine. Stomach and small intestine. Then food is chemically changed. Food is chemically changed in direction. Change in direction when new smaller substances are formed. Smaller substances are formed. Moreover, we will never be able to get back the raw material in the same form as it was before. That's why the addition of food is a permanent change. The addition of food is a permanent change. Which is irreversible. That's also the thing. So one detail is enough. Second one only. Say like that 5% on plus 1 is evident, fifth one on each other. Okay. So with this, if you like this lesson, we'll start the lesson in the next classroom. Thank you.